CAD CAM, computer-aided milling. Computer-aided milling machines can be used to cut components from wood, metal, or plastic. In this example, a key tag is to be cut from a piece of engraving plastic which is secured into the machine using double-sided tape. The design for the key tag has been drawn using computer-aided design software. The file containing the design is opened. The cutting tool is set to the surface of the material to be cut. Cutting is started by selecting Output on the computer software. The component is cut by the milling cutter, which is guided by the computer. Multiple shallow cuts are used to avoid straining the machine. The waste material, which has been cut, is vacuumed away and the component removed. The finished keyring.